Hey there, young coder. Are you ready to jump into a magical story where we bring shapes to life using nothing but code? Awesome! Let's start our adventure by meeting someone very special, a magical turtle. Not a real turtle, of course. This one lives inside your computer and it listens to your instructions. But before we can talk to it, we need to invite it into our story. That's what Import Turtle does. It says, "Hey Turtle, come join our program." So imagine this. You want to draw something on your screen, like a picture or a shape, but you don't want to use your mouse or crayons. You want the computer to do the drawing for you. Well, for that, we call in a helper, a magical turtle. In the world of coding, we call these helpers modules, like little toolboxes full of magic tricks. The turtle module has all the tools we need to draw cool things. In Python, we ask Turtle to come join our program by typing import turtle. Now that the turtle is here, we need a drawing board, a clean screen where our turtle can move around and draw. So we roll out the digital paper. That's our screen. That's what screen equals turtle.screen does. And to make our masterpiece feel official, we give our canvas a name. Let's call it Yellow Circle, just like naming a painting. That's what screen title open parenthesis, yellow circle close parenthesis does. Okay, now let's give our turtle a name. Let's call him Toby. Toby has a pen attached to his tail. When he moves, he draws. That's what T equals turtle does. We also tell Toby how fast to go. Speed 1 is slow, like a sleepy turtle. Speed 10 is zoom fast. We picked 5, right in the middle. Not too slow, not too fast, just right. So we will tell Toby to move at the speed of 5. That's what T.speed 5 does. Toby is about to draw a circle, but what should it look like? Let's paint the inside yellow, like the sun. That's what fill color open parenthesis yellow close parenthesis does. So we will tell Toby to paint the circle color yellow by giving instructions, set the fill color to yellow. That's what T.fill color open parenthesis yellow close parenthesis does. And we want the outside line to be black so it stands out nicely. That's the pen color open parenthesis black close parenthesis part, like outlining your artwork with a marker. That's what T.pen color open parenthesis black close parenthesis does. Okay, Toby, ready? Let's fill that color in. When we say begin fill, Toby gets his paint bucket ready. Start filling and draw a circle. That's what T.begin fill does. Then we tell him draw a circle. A big one with a radius of 100 pixels. That's just the size of the circle. Toby walks in a big round path, leaving a line behind. That's what T circle open parenthesis 100 close parenthesis does. And when he's done, end fill tells Toby to pour the yellow paint inside the shape he just made. Ta-da! We have a big yellow circle. That's what T.endfill parentheses does. Now that the artwork is done, Toby says, "My job here is finished," and he quietly hides so you can admire the art without him hanging around. That's what T.hide.turtle.parentheses does. And finally, we tell the computer, "Hey, keep this window open so we can look at our masterpiece." That's what turtle.done does. And just like that, we turned code into a picture. You just learned how to invite a drawing turtle into your program, set up a screen, choose colors, draw shapes, and create something beautiful with just a few lines of code. Now imagine what else you can draw. Stars, houses, rockets, even cartoons. Coding is your superpower, and Turtle is your magic wand. Now it's your turn to write the code that draws a yellow circle. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it.